Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fine, and for me, I'm doing great. I know guys, it's been a while. I've missed you so much. So today I'm back with another simple recipe. Yeah, a very simple recipe, and I want to show you how I do this. So here I have corn. I have oil here and also salt. Na pia niko na this. This is where I'm going to put whatever I'm cooking. And I also have a sufuria here. And of course, mwiko. Yeah, because I'm going to use these two. Yeah, so guys, that's what I'm doing. And I hope you join me. Watch this video till the end, and let's see what is this we are cooking. So I'm going to wait for the oil to heat a little bit. Yeah, si sana. Kidogo tu. Then let me add salt. Imetosha. And give it a stir. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my corn, then give it a stir. So I'm just going to cook it at medium heat. Medium heat. So now, wacha nifunikie, because I know now it's almost there. They will start to pop. So wacha nifunikie. Yeah, and let's wait for the magic to happen. It's that simple, guys. Wacha tuone. As you can see, they have already started. Yeah, I know most of you love eating popcorns. It's very nice to eat them when you're watching movies. Yeah, if you see, they are popping, huh? It's very simple, guys. The magic is happening. Najua watu wengi wamezoea kununua popcorn for super. So now what you need to do is just buy the corn and come and do it yourself at home. It's that easy. Na zinauzwa kwa supermarket. You can get them in the supermarket or maybe at a cereal shop. Yeah, unaweza zipata tu hapo. So let me reduce the heat. You have to pack it in more. Oh my goodness. They're still popping, guys. so amazing guys. Mko mnanunua huko nje sasa. And they're ready. Shamaliza kutoka. Yummy. Huh? See guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a hold.
Today they are so sweet. Kwanza kama zimetoka tu kupikwa saa hizo, it has a nice taste, huh? Very nice.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now.
Ooh, sorry, hapa nitamwaga zote.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know.
Nani yako karibu akuje tukule yake? Ave ni mob.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Jenny, kuzeni.
Something fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Tunaona hata zijaungua hata kidogo. It looks nice, guys. Very easy. That's the simplest recipe that you can do. So just try this. Yeah. Don't buy them again. Just go buy the corns. Come do it yourself. As we take 5 minutes. In like how many seconds? Let's say 2 minutes. Ushamalizana. Like that is it. So guys, I hope you've learned something. Yeah. So until the next video guys, I love you. Bye.